Advantages of being an affiliate online marketer and Google AdSense profits. The website owner, or the affiliate, enables the usage of their site for the promotion of the merchant's products by linking to the merchant's website. In exchange, the merchant pays a commission to the affiliate on all sales created by the affiliate. Every time somebody clicks on the link on the affiliate site and continues to make a purchase, the affiliate gets a commission. Are you a web designer who needs funds to keep your site running? Or is your site the only way for you to earn earnings? Whichever you are, for as long as you are a web designer or a web publisher and you need money, affiliate marketing might work well for you. With affiliate marketing, you might get a lot of money put into your bank account quickly. And if your website is rich in great content and you desire to earn more revenue, why not get into the Google AdSense program? Why affiliate marketing? Well, simply due to the fact that affiliate marketing is the most convenient and most likely the very best way to earn earnings online, unless otherwise you are a business person and would rather sell your own items online than advertise other entrepreneurs' products on your site. Even online retailers can benefit from affiliate marketing programs because affiliate marketing actually works for merchants as well as it works for affiliates. Affiliate marketing, simply stated, is a relationship or contract made between two websites, with one site being the merchant's site and the other being the affiliate's site. In the relationship, the affiliate agrees to let the merchant market his products on the affiliate's site. The merchant, on the other hand, would accept to pay the affiliate in whatever technique they have actually concurred into. This would typically imply easy earnings for the affiliate, as he would do nothing but place the seller's advertisement on his website. This would likewise be really helpful for the merchant, as getting affiliates to promote their items would be a lot more cost-effective than hiring an advertising company to promote their items. There are a variety of techniques on how the merchant would compensate the affiliate for his services, and for the web designer, these approaches merely equate to the approach by which he would make easy money. Amongst the more common methods of settlement are the pay-per-click method, the pay-per-lead approach, and the pay-per-sale technique. The pay-per-click method is the approach most preferred by affiliates, for their site's visitors would just need to visit the advertiser's website for them to gain cash. The other two methods, on the other hand, are better chosen by merchants, as they would only need to compensate you if your visitor turns into one of their registrants or if the visitor would actually buy their products. Getting much revenue on affiliate marketing programs, however, does not depend a lot on the compensation method as it does on the traffic created by your site. A site that can attract more visitors would generally have a higher chance of profiting from affiliate marketing programs. What about Google AdSense? Google AdSense is in fact some sort of an affiliate marketing program. In Google AdSense, Google serves as the intermediary between the affiliates and the merchants. The merchant, or the marketer, would just register with Google and supply the latter with text advertisements relating to their items. These advertisements, which is actually a link to the advertiser's website, would then appear on Google searches along with on the websites owned by the affiliates, or by those web designers who have registered with the Google AdSense program. While one can discover a lot of similarities between Google AdSense and other affiliate marketing programs, you can likewise see a lot of distinctions. In Google AdSense, all the web designer has to do is put a code on his site and Google takes care of the rest. The Google AdSense program compensates the affiliate on a pay-per-click basis. The advertisers would pay Google a certain quantity each time their advertisement on your site is clicked, and Google would then forward this quantity to you through checks, although only after Google has actually deducted their share of the quantity. Where do all of these lead us? Where else but profits, revenues, and much more earnings? Affiliate marketing programs and the Google AdSense program just work, whether you are the affiliate or the merchant. For the merchant side, a great deal of money can be conserved if the marketing effort is concentrated on affiliate marketing instead of on dealing with advertising companies. For the web designer, you can quickly get a lot of revenue just by doing what you do best, which is by developing sites. And if you combine all your make money from both the Google AdSense program and other affiliate marketing programs, it would certainly convert to a large quantity of money. All the exact same, The very best advantage of being an affiliate online marketer is the opportunity to increase your earnings, and you can earn a profit even if affiliate marketing is only exchange. The merchant pays a commission to the affiliate on all sales created by the affiliate. Every time somebody clicks on the link on the affiliate site and proceeds to make a purchase, the affiliate gets a commission. Affiliate marketing, merely stated, is a relationship or contract made between two sites, with one site being the merchant's site and the other being the affiliate's website. In the relationship, the affiliate agrees to let the merchant promote his products on the affiliate's website. Affiliate marketing programs and the Google Adsense program merely work, whether you are the affiliate or the merchant. Thank you for looking at my video from Ian Jackson.